So we are unboxing the Yeedi 3000 Pascal Robo Mop Vacuum. This has a ton of features, but none other than the 3000 Pascal suction. So here we're going to take it out of the box. And that's everything you get inside the box. Right here. Getting your quick start guide with your limited warranty and your instruction manual. You'll be getting your overall unit. And this is the unit in white. I love this. It is matte. Do you guys see that? This is matte. Here, this matte finish means it looks really nice. Actually, I love this matte finish. This is super BMW. This is super BMW. Okay, so you have this. You also have a display ring as well as a new sensor. New sensors. Interesting. On the bottom of your unit, you're going to be getting your double. You get one brush here. And they give you one brush in the box. So you have 1, 2, 3 brush. You also have a catch roll system. Great thing about this guy is that you can upgrade this in terms of the mop. You have a 110-minute runtime. Clean anywhere at any time. You could choose any specific room to clean. It is easy to use. It gets well on carpet. Great thing about this guy, if you get this version here, is that you can upgrade this to the self-empty station and to the mopping modular. So just because you get this doesn't mean limited to this. It doesn't. You can upgrade it to another version. If you want to look at the bin, it comes with a water bin here. So this is going to have that water bin right there. This is pretty much going to be an all-encompassing unit, and you have your easy-to-use clean dustbin, quite large cleaning ports as well in your Yeedi. You have your on-off switch, and it is just a well-constructed Robo Vacuum. We're going to test it, and then I'm going to come back to you.
Here and ready to start. Starting cleaning.
It's really easy to start setting up your Yeedi, so you just download the Yeedi app, and then it works for Android and iOS. You prepare it just by adding on your Yeedi vacuum, and then you scan that QR code. Actually, your Yeedi will scan your QR code for you, and you're done. It will take you about 5 minutes total, and then you might have to update. It's going to be allowing you and explaining to you how to properly engage and use your Yeedi, because in different scenarios, your Yeedi is going to be mapping out your floors differently. Now, it is a very easy to use overall process in terms of setting up. All you got to do is also attach your base, and that base has a wraparound cord. You plug it in, and your Yeedi is going to have some of the physical features that you would come to expect with a great Robo Vacuum. It has powerful wheels. It has that 3000 Pascal suction, and your cat will pay quick attention to what is this Robo Vacuum doing. So right now, it is currently mapping out my floor and vacuuming at the same time. So as it goes through, you can see it is picking up. The side bristles are also very convenient. And as you go here, and this is what I call the chair death zone for all my Robo Vacuums, it is powerful enough to go over all of the chair legs and clear all of those obstacles while also vacuuming that rug underneath my table. And if you want to see how it works, if you have anything like a sofa or something more low profile, it is low profile enough that it can go underneath your sofas and your armoires and just go underneath. And on your hallways, because you have that smart mapping navigation, because you can set your zones on that map, you can decide where and when you want it to go. And it passes the hardwood floor test brilliantly because 3000 Pascal suction allows it to have enough suction to pick up almost everything on your floor and not have a hard time picking it up at the same time. Now, I do enjoy that it's enabled to be working with your Amazon Alexa or your Google Assistant. You could control your cleaning with voice commands, but let's be honest here. One of the best features is that the carpet detection. You have a high pill carpet. It's not going to be great for your Robo Vacuum. Well, it can detect that and you can avoid it. You have the same features in terms of the app. You decide which room it wants to clean. You decide when you want to schedule it. You can also set up a virtual boundary. So even when you're not around, you can set where you want it to go. This is the map that it generated for me, and that is the final map that is generated after 3 sessions. So the more sessions you use, the faster I have found my Yeedi to perform in the same space, especially if you set the areas out so you don't have to waste time on areas that might have a lot of cords or areas that don't require a lot of vacuuming. Now I have a 70-ounce high pill carpet, and that 3000 Pascal suction, the power is very obvious as you see it traverse my carpet, because this carpet, it is easily something that can rough up or make life difficult for even the strongest, most powerful robo vacuums. The Yeedi had no problem navigating all of my floor. Also, it had no time picking up everything that I had, even the cardboard that I had on the floor, everything. It just picked it up seamlessly and fed it into itself, because 3000 Pascal suction, it means it got a lot of suction. It got like S9 iRobot suction. And let's remember that this machine is compatible with the self-empty station as well as the mopping features that you can add on later. Now, easy to clean. You can just open up your underneath your Yeedi and then remove your brush roll and then clean if you have any tangles or any issues. You can just clean it, or you can replace it when it's worn out. The app will also tell you when any of your pieces and parts are worn. And then once you're done, you just put it back. You can clip it back on. And the bin itself is also easy to clean. You just pop it out. You can empty it and just return it back. And now you have cleaned and emptied your base. So for the next time you go, it's going to be ready for you. Now that's our review on the Yeedi Vac. Check it out. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll catch you next time. This is David from the French Glow signing off. Bye, bye, bye.